People's Choice Award has an official charity, which I'm so proud to say, is Children's Safe Drinking Water. We all take drinking water for granted, but much is developed for resource. 1 billion people do not have access to clean, safe drinking water. Now, every day,